Hi, my name is Sahil from Go4whatsup. Today I want to show you how the complete ordering flow can be done using Go4whatsup automation. So on the screen here is a client's chatbot which we have set the client name. So in order to initiate the conversation, all customer has to say is hi. Once the customer has initiated the conversation, an automated chatbot has been enabled, which gives an option of multilingual support as well. So for this demo, let's continue with English. Once the language selection is done, the customer is presented with multiple options whether they want to go ahead with ordering flow or they want contact related support. So once the order now option is selected, customer is presented with multiple offers which the client has set. So let's say I want to go ahead with the special offer, and once I select the option, another subcategory is shown to me, which is the different packs which they are offering. For now I want to go ahead with the 200 ml pack. Now once the categorized selection is done, the customer is presented with multiple products. These are the different packs which the particular client is selling right now. Okay, let's say I want to add these two packs and increase quantity of one of the packs as well. So here I get a complete option to check the cart value and the cart products which are added. Now once I place the order, customer will be presented a summary of the complete order the customer has added to the cart. Now here again the customer is provided with the option to check out, go to main menu, or in case if they want to exit the ordering flow. So let's go ahead with the checkout option. So once that is done, the customer is given the option to select the delivery address. Now here all the address which you have previously added will be listed down, or in case if you want to add a new address, you can select this option as well. So for now I'll select with the home address only. So once that is done, here I get an option to make an online payment or cancel the order. Let's say I go ahead with the online payment option. So once the payment is done, customer is presented with the payment link. The payment link will be exactly same as that of the cart value which the customer has selected. So in this particular client case, they were using the tap payment gateway, so that is added over here. So as soon as the page is loaded, customer will be presented the option to make the payment using different mode of payments. So thus the price value of this particular order is exactly same as that of the cart value. So let's complete the order payment in background. Once the payment is done, customer is given the confirmation about the payment which has been successfully done, and along with a invoice which is sent. Now this invoice is directly been sent from the Odoo platform. Now let's switch back to the Odoo platform. This is the Odoo module. Now as soon as I place an order from Go4whatsup, an automated sales order is also created over here, which is this one. If I open the order, you can see the products which I added in the cart and made the payment of are also listed down here along with the quantity. The address which I selected is also updated over here. Now since a sales order was created, so the modules attached with this particular sales order is also updated, like delivery address, invoice module, or reporting modules. All those modules are automatically updated as well. Now if I go on to the delivery section, you can see that here I have an option to validate this particular delivery order. Now as soon as I validate it, an updated message will be sent on client's WhatsApp number regarding the status of the order. So similarly, in case if you want the ordering flow to be automated, where you can present customer with multiple language. Your products can be listed down, or in case if you want to collect online payment as well, we can certainly help you out with that. And in case if you want that operations to be very smooth after receiving orders, we do offer the integration with Odoo modules as well. We specialize in customizing the Odoo modules according to the business need. So this is all about the demo for WhatsApp and Odoo integration. In case if you want any kind of solution related to this, please reach out to Go4whatsup. Thank you so much for watching the video.